Considered to be one of the best-seller, white truffle oil is one of our premium truffle products and is made with the highest quality white truffles. An exclusive, modern culinary ingredient used to impart the flavor and aroma of truffles to a dish. This white truffle oil blend is made from a blend of extra virgin olive oil, sunflower oil, and grape seeds oil, which keep intact the flavor of truffles and make it unique, exclusive, and distinctive. All natural flavor and ingredients, extra virgin olive oil blend, and the finest white truffles. No synthetic products added, no enzymes, 100% pure white truffle oil. Designed for home cooking, exclusive kitchen, and chefs. White truffle oil, once opened, should be stored in a cool dark place. A cool store is an ideal environment, and will usually keep for about 12 to 14 months. This is a product of Europe, brought you exclusively by Truffle Guys. Yes, you deserve a gourmet touch. To learn more about white truffle oil, click on the link below.